In front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, hit Files. Then you can click on Audio at the top. Pick one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. After finding your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Sorry, misclick. If you prefer to add a video file, hit Gallery section instead of Files. And if your video is recent, tap on it right away. Then decide if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video and hit Add at the bottom right corner. If your video isn't recent, select Folders and look for it over here. Then click on the chosen one and click on one of those options again. This time though, you need to tap on just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!